Hey guys, Frank here and welcome to another episode of Digital Classroom. Today, how did I take this shot? Well, today it's about something else. It's not really about lighting. In essence, it is, but it's about something else. Now, Nadine is pregnant. You could see that probably, right? And during the workshops, we love to experiment with, of course, her pregnancy because shooting a pregnant woman is totally different from shooting a normal model, of course, because you have the belly. And you want to also make sure that you focus on that belly because, well, that's what you want to remember later on, right? So we decided in this workshop to do a lot of creative setups with our model Nadine. And you probably already saw in the other videos that we did a pretty good job for one day. But then during the last setup, we experimented with smoke and with backlighting and of course using a red gel. And it all went great, as you can see in some of the images I show you now. But then there's also a solution that a lot of people don't use. And normally I would be a little bit hesitant to use this, but with this shot, it just worked out perfectly. Now, when you look at a lighting setup like this, you of course have your main light setup on your model. Now, because you're using smoke, you always want to make sure that you light the smoke from the back, because if you light smoke from the front, you just get a large white wall or a red wall, depending on the gel you use, of course. When you light smoke from the back, you get those beautiful smoky looks that, well, you're used to in photo shoots. So that's why the lighting was already set up from the side. So when you shoot from the front, you have this beautiful side lighting from the smoke and you light on your model. But what if, and I always tell you guys to do this during the photo shoot, walk around your model. So in this case, I walked towards my omnidirectional dome with the red gel. And as you can see in this image, it created a beautiful shadow on the wall. So you have our pregnant model and the shadow with just the silhouette and the belly. And I just love that shot. It's a totally different shot than you normally see. And normally using those shadows can be a little bit awkward. But in this case, well, it just worked. So let's take a look at the behind the scenes video so you can see that it was mainly actually aimed at using the smoke. And then the idea of the shadow came in. As you can see, a relatively simple setup, but by using the right angle and using the shadows, you create something unique, and I think something that Nadine will absolutely love as her pregnancy shot. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button. But most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow and give you guys more content. See you again next time. Bye guys.